Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if your AirPods are not charging. So guys, if you are unable to charge your AirPods, here I will show you how can you fix them. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that if your AirPods are not charging, you have to make it sure that your charger is not out of order. So guys, make sure that your charger and the data cable which you use to charge your AirPods is working perfectly. So guys, first of all, check your data cable and your adapter, and after this you have to reset your AirPods to factory settings if you're still facing this problem. So guys, you have to simply open the case of your AirPods and press and hold the button behind the case for 30 seconds, and after this reset your AirPods to factory settings and connect your AirPods again with your charger and check if the problem is fixed or not. So as if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you have to bring your AirPods to any mechanic or other shop. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.